Hello, it's John, your pronunciation and accents coach. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And right here you can get a better British accent. So, I thought we could do a new segment called Let's Google. Right, today we are doing Let's Google pronunciation and we'll see what happens. So, I'm going to Google live and then we'll go through some of the things that Google suggests in the search, okay? And when I put in pronunciation of, one of the first things that comes up is pronunciation of this word. So it's obviously been a very popular word over the last few months. How do you say it? So you say quarantine, quarantine. So you can go into quarantine for 14 days or you can go into self-isolation as well. That's a good one. One of the first ones that have come up and the next search is this word here. How do you say this word? So it's pronunciation of archive. Archive. When you store things either online or offline in some kind of reference, we call it archive. The next one that came up was your uncle is your mother or father's brother, but who is your mother or father's sister? We say aunt, aunt. Okay, now if I look at pronunciation of B words, we can see the first one is pronunciation of bear, bear like the animal. And bear, different spelling, also means without clothes, naked. The next one is bowl, 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 bowl. Not ball. Ball, bowl, ball, bowl, ball, bowl. The next one I can see, so if you're English from the south of England, like me, you would say Bath, Bath. There's the town of Bath as well. But it's a long R sound. If you want to perfect your southern British accent, then you would say Bath. Just like the word car. Car, bath. Do you hear the same vowel sound there? Oh, that's a good one. The next one I can see is the air around you. We all have to breathe. Breathe is a verb and the noun is breath. Breath. So we can say breathe as a verb and the noun is breath. Now, we use quite a lot of French words in English and we say them in a unique way, let's say. One of those is the word bouquet. Bouquet. So a bouquet of flowers. And you don't say the t at the end. Over to you. Can you think of any French words in English that have a silent T at the end? Write in the comments below. Plus, give the video a like if you enjoyed it. And remember, you can share the video with friends or subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you and stay connected.